Here's how to verify your TenantCloud account. First, click on your profile picture and select the Settings option. Then select the Security option from your account settings and click Verify Account. Identity verification. In this step, you will be asked to take a photo of your ID from both sides. Start by clicking the Verify Step button. Next, view the terms and conditions, click Agree, and press Continue. Select whether you would like to complete the verification process on your smartphone or one of these options: receive a link via SMS, receive a link via email, copy a direct link and open the URL in another browser or device. If you choose a smartphone or email link, please click the link in the appropriate place to continue. If you choose Continue on this device, you can proceed in the same window. Next, get your photo ID ready to scan. The following documents can be submitted for verification purposes: driver's license, passport, government-issued identity card. On the next window, please place your verification document in front of your camera. The system will automatically take a photo when the document is fully in frame. Follow the instructions on the screen to take the best picture. Then take a photo of the back of your verification document. In the next step, the system will take 3 photos of your face to compare it to your identification document. Click Continue to start. Wait several seconds for the photos to process. If everything is correct, you will be able to move to the next step by pressing Continue. If you see the message Inaccurate Data, you'll need to rescan your photo ID and face on the verification step. Address verification. On the address verification step, provide your name, date of birth, and address. Then click Verify Step to proceed. When the address verification is complete, you will then be asked to provide your first and last name, date of birth, country, and address. Add your information and click Submit to proceed. ID number verification. In this step, you will be asked to verify your identification. Press on the Verify step to proceed. Then enter your first and last name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Press Submit when complete. Phone verification. To verify your phone number, enter your mobile number to receive a text message with an authentication code valid for 5 minutes. Please copy the code in your text message and paste it into the indicated field. Once the code is entered, click Submit. That's it. You can see your verification status by clicking on View Request or going back to your dashboard. Verification typically takes several hours. Once verified, you will be able to set up online payments, list properties on our partner sites, and more. Learn more at www.tenantcloud.com.